Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna mix things up a little bit with this video because you guys have been asking us a very important question.
Which is also a question that we have been dying to answer. We want to know how our M1078 does in the snow.
We have been hesitant to try it because if we get it stuck, it's gonna be a mission to get it out. But then we realized that we get to take you guys along for the ride, and either way, it's probably gonna be an awesome day.
So what do you guys think? Who does better, our tracked Jeep or our M1078?
We're gonna set up a little competition. First we gotta go scout out the trail. This is the first obstacle. We're calling it Generator Hill. It's steep, and let's find out how deep it is.
17 or 18 inches. I don't know, guys. I'm starting to doubt if the M1078 is going to do this at all.
The next obstacle, so we're gonna call this Bailey Switchback. I predict that this is the maximum distance the Army truck would ever make it, is right here on Bailey Switchback, because this is so steep.
This is called Dead Tree Lane.
Woo!
19 inches. The snow just got really soft, so we're gonna call this area Powder Valley.
I think we're gonna end the competition up here at Powder Valley because if the Army truck makes it this far, it can turn around right here. So we've got Generator Hill, Bailey Switchback, Powder Valley. Let's see what happens. It's probably frozen to the ground, so let's find out.
Nope.
All right, take two. Okay, no cheating. You can't watch all the way to the end. Go drop down in the comments right now which you think is gonna win.
And then once you've told us who you think is gonna win, tell us who you think is gonna be more fun to watch.
My biggest concern is just not being able to steer because this thing doesn't turn well when it's not moving. Otherwise, I think it's gonna do really well, so we'll see. Here we go.
Oh my gosh, it's not even fair. Okay, well, the Snowverlanders passed Generator Hill.
Turning is, I have to plan ahead, so this next section is gonna get a little interesting.
Okay, we are now getting set up for Courtney to come up Bailey's Switchback. Guys, this is a lot steeper than it looks. Bye, Courtney.
Well, I had to 3-point that, but I was kind of expecting it. So we made it up Bailey Switchback, and now there's like this tree squeeze that I think I'm gonna fit through, but if the Army truck makes it this far, Riley's gonna have a heck of a time.
Yet again, the Snowverlander handled an obstacle with ease. We are now through Bailey's S-turn and the dead man squeeze. The dead tree squeeze.
Okay, I just got a little stuck and then I backed out of it, but Powder Valley might be a little interesting. It's just really soft. That was so awesome. Oh my gosh, this hill is so steep that I can't even. So I don't have snowshoes on. This might be interesting. This is a bad idea. I need to stop walking around in this without snowshoes on. It's truly incredible. Do you see how much I'm sinking down? That was incredible.
The Snowverlander crushed it. That was awesome.
It's not gonna do it justice, you guys, but this hill is so steep and off camera, and the snow, I mean, wow.
We also know that there are like lots of rocks and stumps and stuff underneath the snow, but that thing just sort of rides on top and smooths it all out. Wish me luck in the Army truck, because I'm gonna need it. We'd like to thank Magic Spoon for sponsoring this video. We found Magic Spoon a few months ago and it quickly became one of our favorite meals. I would say breakfast, but I end up eating it way more often than that. It has 0 grams of sugar, 13 to 14 grams of protein, and only 4 net grams of carbs per serving. I also love that it only has 140 calories per serving, because that means I get to eat lots of servings. They're also keto-friendly, gluten-free, grain-free, soy-free, and low-carb. So maybe you have a sweet tooth like me, or maybe you're just looking for something low-carb, high-protein, and with 0 grams of sugar. Click the link below to get Magic Spoon cereal today. You can build your very own variety box and use our code AMBITIONSTRIKES for $5 off, or go to magicspoon.com/AmbitionStrikes. Magic Spoon is so confident in their product, it's backed with a 100% happiness guarantee. So if you don't like it for any reason, they'll refund your money. No questions asked. Plus the boxes match the Snowverlander.
I needed to share the fun, so I'm gonna let Riley drive the Snowverlander back down. Don't get stuck.
What do you think, guys? Am I qualified? Oh, it'll just flip down as soon as I back up. But I agree that that's why we would want the anti-rotation thingies.
All right, he's turned around. That was an adventure.
Two main reasons we don't drive this thing more. One, we're afraid of getting it stuck, and we're gonna test that today. And two, because it's kind of a 30-minute ordeal to get it fired up and warmed up. Starting with getting in it.
That was unexpected.
Apparently the snow won't shed.
In case you're wondering why the heck we have a giant army truck, this is a 1994 M1078. We purchased it last spring and then we turned it into a dump truck to use for excavation and dirt work on our property. It has been an amazing truck. We've been very hesitant to use it in the snow. We are thinking about getting snow chains for it, but first we just want to see kind of how it does, because snow chains for these trucks are a big investment. And if you guys missed it, we actually did a 3-part video series on turning this into a dump truck, and then also we did a 2-part video series on driving it 1,200 miles from California to Idaho over the course of 2 days, and that was an adventure in itself. Radio check?
Check, check.
All right, you guys, this first little section is pretty hard packed. I think it's gonna make it to this tire.
We'll see what happens.
You are all clear.
Okay, here we go. I don't really know how fast to go. But I'm not gonna hit it hard.
Then I made it a little bit further. That was not successful at all. When I hit that little hump on my second go, that was violent. And the whole time it feels like you're gonna roll over in this thing. I think to do any serious snow driving in this thing, we would definitely need to start with a set of chains, but still, it is so heavy.
You made it 10% of the way up Generator Hill.
Not a chance.
I think we have a 2-time winner now. I think I was hopeful the Army truck was going to do a little better than it did.
Yeah, I think that settles that. The Army truck is probably not something we're going to be driving out in the deep snow. But the Snowverlander did far better than I expected, even in the deep snow.
When we built these tracks, we had no idea if they were going to work. I think we were hopeful, but they have left us speechless time and time again at how well they perform. We've had a ton of interest in the snow tracks, and so we've been working behind the scenes for a few weeks now, and we have some really exciting news.
We've actually put together plans that you can purchase to build your very own set of tracks.
The plans include cut files, a parts list, and everything you need to make your own Snowverlander.
We are so excited to see where this goes and to see what you guys build and what you put tracks on.
So if you're interested in buying those plans, I'll put a link down below, or you can head to our website, ambitionstrikes.com, to check them out.
We are super excited to see where this goes. We have a lot of ideas for plans to share with you in the future. And as always, thanks again for supporting our channel, and we can't wait to see you next time. I'm not a very good loser, so I'm going to give this one more shot.
You made it farther.
At least I got the look. I made it almost to the generator.